It's October 2025. The clock is ticking. In less than 3 months, we will step into a brand new year. But here is the real question. Will you walk into 2026 as the same person you have always been, or the version you have been pretending to become? Most people won't like this truth. But let's face it, right now, as you are watching this, your life probably does not look much different from what it did in January. And that should bother you, because every day you repeat the same habits, you quietly confirm to yourself, maybe change is not for me. But here is the thing, change is for you. You are just stuck in the same invisible loop most people never escape. And in the next few minutes, I am going to show you how to break that loop before this year ends. Not next year, not someday. Now, the harsh truth you need to hear. Let's rewind for a second. Back in January, you probably told yourself, this year, I will finally do it. You had a list, maybe even a fancy vision board. You promised you would wake up early, eat clean, hit the gym, learn that skill, start that business. And now, you are watching another self-improvement video, hoping for a spark. Sound familiar? Don't click away. I am not here to guilt you. I am here to tell you why this keeps happening, and more importantly, how to stop it, starting today. Because if you master these next 3 months, you won't be crawling into 2026 wishing for change. You will be living it. Why you are still stuck? Here is the paradox. You are not lazy. You are not broken. In fact, you probably know exactly what to do. You have consumed all the information, watched the videos, read the books, written down the plans. You know the routines, the habits, the secrets, but you are stuck in what I call the knowing trap. You mistake knowing for doing. You confuse motion for progress. You get that dopamine hit every time you watch a motivational clip, and it feels like you are changing. But then hours pass, days pass, weeks, and nothing really moves. It is like running on a treadmill. You are sweating, but you are not getting anywhere. The dangerous part? You start to believe this is who you are. You start to wear your stagnation like an identity. And that is where most people stay, trapped in endless preparation, never execution. But not you, because you have still got 3 months left. 3 months to flip the entire story. The final lap. Think of this year like a marathon. We are in the final lap, the one that decides everything. This is where champions separate from dreamers. Most people slow down near the end, waiting for a fresh start in January. But what if you sprinted instead? Imagine walking into 2026 while everyone else is still writing their resolutions. You would already be ahead, not in theory, but in momentum. While others are talking about change, you are already living it. And that, right there, is what separates winners from watchers. The plan to rewire your next 90 days. You don't need motivation, you need a system. So here is how to dominate the last stretch of 2025 and finally build unstoppable momentum. Step 1. Focus on 1 to 2 life-changing goals, nothing more. This is where most people sabotage themselves. They try to reinvent their entire life in one go: gym, business, language, diet, reading, meditation, all at once. And then they burn out before week 2. Here is the truth. Massive transformation does not come from doing everything. It comes from mastering one thing. So ask yourself, if you could only change 2 areas of your life before 2026, what would they be? Be brutally specific, not vague goals like get fit or make money. Try this instead. Work out 4 times a week until December. Save 10% of every paycheck until the year ends. Simple, clear, measurable. You don't need 10 goals. You need 1 victory that proves you can follow through. Because once you build that proof, it changes everything. Confidence is not given. It is earned, 1 promise kept at a time. Step 2. The power of daily non-negotiables. Success is not built on big wins. It's built on the small things you refuse to skip. Think of them as your non-negotiables. Actions you will do no matter what. Rain or shine. Motivation or not. It could be as small as writing for 15 minutes, reading 10 pages, doing 20 push-ups, spending 1 hour phone-free. Even on bad days, if you hit those small actions, you are still progressing. And here is the secret. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum builds identity. You stop saying, I am trying to be disciplined, and start saying, I am disciplined. That shift changes everything. Step 3. The no excuse rule. Here is a tough one, but it's a game changer. Every time you catch yourself saying, I will start tomorrow, or I am tired, write that excuse down. Seriously, write it. Then ask yourself, has this excuse ever helped me grow? Has it ever made my life better? Spoiler, it has not. Excuses are not harmless. They are thieves. They steal your future in tiny doses. But once you expose them, they lose their power. Because now, Every time that thought reappears, you will remember, it's just fear wearing a different outfit. The next time your mind says, I will do it later, respond with, later is a myth, and act, even for 5 minutes. That is how you break the loop. Step 4. Cut distractions in half. You don't need more time. You need less noise. We all say we are too busy, but imagine tracking your screen time for one single day. The truth will shock you. Social media, endless scrolling, background noise that keeps you from silence. Because silence forces reflection. Here is your challenge. Cut your distractions by 50% for the next 3 months. Half your screen time, half your wasted hours. That's all. Because you don't need perfection, you need awareness. And awareness changes behavior faster than motivation ever could. If you reclaim even 2 extra hours a day, that's 180 hours before January. Enough time to change your body, your income, your mindset, or all 3. Step 5. Stack small wins, daily. Change does not come with one grand decision. It comes from 1,000 tiny ones, repeated when no one is watching. Think of each win as a brick. You lay one brick today, another tomorrow, another the next day, and before you realize it, you have built a wall between who you were and who you are becoming. Write 300 words a day, and in 90 days, you will have a book draft. Save $10 a day, and you will have $900 by year end. Walk 20 minutes a day, and you will transform your energy by December. Tiny actions, massive compounding. And once you see progress, even small progress, it becomes addictive. You will start chasing consistency more than motivation. And that is when life begins to shift for real. When it gets hard, read this. Because it will get hard. You will have days when you don't care. Days when you slip back into your old routines. Days you question if it's even worth it. But here is a little secret about high achievers. They slip too. They just don't stay down. It's not about perfection. It's about recovery. Fall 7 times, rise 8. That is the game. Remember the airplane analogy? The hardest part is not flying. It's takeoff. That is where you burn the most fuel. The first few weeks will feel heavy and uncomfortable, like pushing through mud. But once you are airborne, it gets easier. Most people quit right before liftoff. Don't be most people. The moment of truth. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine it's January 1st, 2026. Everyone around you is writing New Year, New Me posts, still making the same resolutions they will abandon by February. But you? You are already 3 months deep into transformation. You are not starting. You are continuing. While they plan, you execute. While they wish, you live. And that is the moment you realize. Change was not waiting for a date on the calendar. It was waiting for a decision. The final challenge. You have almost 80 days left. Roughly 1,920 hours. Every single one is a chance to become the version of yourself you have always talked about. Will you waste them scrolling, wishing, and waiting? Or will you finally lock in? Not for perfection, but for proof? Because when you prove to yourself that you can follow through, you don't just change your habits. You change your identity. And that, my friend, is how you walk into 2026 already in motion. Not hoping for change, but living it.